Alright, y'all, so the next project is changing my headers out. So it's ready to get dark, I ain't gonna lie. With this whole daylight savings time or whatever, and I gotta do it fast, you feel me? So this is the old PCM, so that's ready to get out of the way or whatever like that. In my other video, these are shorter dog bones, anywhere from like 1.5 inches to an inch. I don't really know the, you know what I'm saying, the specs on it, but they are shorter. On top of that, it means that I only got this much space for my headers. So what I gotta do is that whenever I take this out, I gotta either put a chain on this cock and put it right here or right there, or yeah, my bad. Sorry, I thought I saw something. Tweaking. So I gotta put the chain on my car and either roll my car back, or I gotta push this one forward or drive it forward or whatever it is, just to lift my engine again. You know what I'm saying? So y'all see that bitch out now.
Fuck that motor mount.
Yes.
You gotta remove that thing right there. You gotta remove that hose. And then if I were you, I'll put that bottom bolt in first, and then the other one on top. I do last one because it's easier.
Yep.
You do that first before you do anything.
Y'all heard him. Y'all heard him.
Real.
Here's the new one. Let me put that. Yeah, here's the old mount. Yeah, I know. Bad. Real bad. But we're ready to get those out. So right now we're ready to change the motor mount and the headers at the same time. So the first thing we gotta do is obviously take our dog bones off for the motor mount. That being said, we're gonna have to lift the engine up with the chain like we did last time. Pull this engine forward so we can pull this out, and then these pop out. I already started on the spark plugs to take them out. There is, I believe, there's 8 bolts. There's 2 right there, 2 nasty ones. Then you got, let's see if you can go in there. Then you got a bolt right there. You got a bolt right there. You got another one. And then I don't know if you got, there you go, another one. And it's probably like one more bolt. Yeah. All the way back here. There you go. So we just gotta unscrew all those, and then everything's pretty much done. So we're going crazy. All right, so while he's doing that, I'm over here trying to get the mount. I got one of the bolts. Got this one loose. Now I gotta loosen this, the sensor, to take that off, so then I can loosen this one. All right, y'all. So it's getting dark. I'm gonna show y'all this one more time. This is Powerlogs front header, whichever one you want to call it, that we putting on. Well, color. Alright, y'all, so we finally got it out. So this is the old one. Stupid heavy. Eee, look at this shit. 20 years old of like, just, what is that?
It's tartar. No ever brushed his teeth.
But yeah, so that's what it looked like. It's heavy as shit too, bro. Like it's just stupid heavy. It's just so much lighter, and also it's open. So that airflow that should be ridiculous then. At least a change, you know what I'm saying? And I'll take pictures and stuff. Alright, y'all, so we got the headers in. We got the mount on. Now we just gotta do the dog bones. Tighten up the air filter. Good. Dog, this shit looks crazy. It look good. Definitely look good. Right. Alright, y'all. So this is the first start. Let's see what it sounds like. gonna get a road test for y'all, whatever like that. See if I notice any difference. Sorry if my nose is red, you feel me? But shit, we got that shit done, you know what I'm saying? On to the next. Alright, so as y'all can see, I just drove my car a little hard, you know what I'm saying, just to see what it could do, and it was keeping up. Not too bad, honestly, I ain't gonna lie, bro. But one thing I do notice is that I don't have no ticket sound no more on my car. I do not have no ticket sound from that Cadillac converter. Like, everything's quiet, even though I just drove it hard, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, man. Give these cars hope and they might turn into something.